should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. You had to go. Could've kept it out of friendship. No hard feelings, no bad endings. Now look at where we are. Old familiar restart. Put the cards on my heart. Welcome back to the sad girl part. I should've known I'm better off alone. I should've known you were hiding your phone. I should've known that time would show me your true colors.
Hey divas, hey divos, it's your girl A, and you know today we are about to do a UNICE wig play. Okay, so I hope you all are having like a great day whenever you're watching this. As I'm showing you guys, these are all the goodies that you get when you order from UNICE, whether it be their website, their Amazon, or their AliExpress. Now this unit here is a 7x5 Yaki straight bob. As you guys see, it's a pre-everything unit. Has the clips, it has a drawstring, it has the combs, it also has the adjustable black elastic band, which is removable. And girl, the drawstring is definitely everything. When I tell you it will have your wig sitting snug and tight, you may not even realize that you have it on. Okay, so let's just jump right into this. As you see, this hairline is melted. It's perfect, but I like to do a little bit extra because that's just me. You know what I'm saying? I guess I feel like this. I try to mimic my own natural hairline. Even if it's thin, I'm gonna try my best to make it look like it's my own. Now that's the amount of hair that I removed. Now this unit is super ready to be worn as soon as you get it. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, has all the necessities that it needs, which is the comb, the elastic band, and that drawstring, baby. Now as it is a 7x5, I'm gonna just take a little bit of my hairspray, my mousse, and I'm just going to brush that in. And I'm gonna do that on the opposite side as well. Now, even though it's a 7x5 unit, you can still part it in that circumference, and you have plenty of parting space. So that way you can make it look as natural as possible. Some may feel like a 7x5 is not enough circumference covered, but trust me, ladies, it's a bob unit. It's hot out. You don't have to use any type of adhesive if you choose not. I'm just putting on a couple of sprays of this Pump It Up so that way my lace will really melt, like, you know, see-through. But yes, it's a 7x5. The density in this unit is 150% density, I do believe. 14 inches, super duper affordable. UNICE hair has the most affordable hair, affordable luxury kind of hair, girl. I'm telling you, listen, these units on UNICE are super affordable. So make sure you check out the description box below. If you have any comments or questions, hit me up in the comments section as well. Now, as I stated, this is a Yaki bob for you girlies. For those of you girlies who love that natural Yaki texture, this is the straight one. It feels like it's already been relaxed. Okay, this is like a fresh doobie, but in a bob format. Now, I love the Pump It Up spray. I've been using this for years. It does hold your wig on for hours if you choose to allow it to do so. Now I'm gonna just use this wax stick, and it's very important to make sure that your hairline is covered with your elastic band if you choose to apply any type of heat to your unit, as you will see I'm gonna do in a minute. But before then, I'm gonna just go ahead and perfect that lace with my own foundation coverage, so that way it matches. And as you see, this unit has plenty of parting, like I stated. You don't have to worry about the limitation of parting. That's 7 inches of parting to me. It says 5, but realistically, I've measured this on one of the other units of a 7x5 by UNICE here, and it's more than 5. This unit is gorgeous. It's very natural looking, and I feel like you can just do a lot with this bob. Now, as I stated, you need to make sure that you're wearing your elastic band when you're applying pressure, applying heat. Baby, don't be like me and accidentally burn yourself several times in a video. So that's why I try to make sure that I use my elastic band, especially if I'm going to be close to the unit. And with the everything pre-cut, honey, elastic is definitely needed to protect your forehead. Now, this is already a straight cut, so I'm just going to just refresh the cut, the bluntness, or what have you. As y'all see, the unit is ready to go. You got some nice flow. The tresses in this hair is definitely what's up. I love Yaki texture hair. You guys know that. And when it's already ready to go, it's definitely promising. I will link everything down below for UNICE. Let me know what you think, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.